Drop cloves into your toilet, and even your neighbors will be asking how your home smells so incredible. This one trick changed the way I keep my house fresh. Let's start with the first step. Grab a small pan and take a generous handful of whole cloves. There's no need to count them, just enough to lightly cover the bottom of your pan. Cloves may look simple, but they're full of essential oils and carry a warm, spicy fragrance that has been valued for centuries. Next, pour in 1 cup of water, roughly 7 ounces. Place the pan on medium heat and let it slowly come to a boil. As the water heats, the cloves begin releasing their natural oils into the steam, and soon your kitchen will be filled with a rich, inviting aroma. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes, then turn off the heat and allow it to cool slightly. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Once the mixture has cooled to a safe temperature, strain it carefully. What you'll be left with is clove-infused water, deeply aromatic and surprisingly powerful. Using a funnel, transfer this liquid into a clean spray bottle. This will make application around your home so much easier. Now it's time to boost the formula. Add 1 capful of fabric softener directly into the spray bottle. Pick a scent you truly love, because this fragrance will linger in the air for hours. Personally, I prefer concentrated fabric softener because its scent is stronger and lasts longer. Next, pour in 1 full cup of white vinegar. Now for the finishing touch, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. It doesn't matter which brand or scent you use. The dish soap helps the mixture stick to fabrics, curtains, and surfaces, allowing the fragrance to stay longer. It also leaves a faint, clean aroma that complements the cloves perfectly. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Close the spray bottle tightly and give it a good shake until everything is well blended. At this point, you might be curious. What exactly have we just made? Well, here comes the reveal. This isn't just a simple spray, it's a homemade fragrance and insect repellent in one. Spray it in your toilet bowl, and instantly the bathroom feels fresher. Spray it around the living room, on curtains, sofas, or even inside closets, and the space fills with a comforting scent. The fragrance lasts for hours, sometimes even days. And here's the best part. The powerful aroma of cloves naturally repels flies, mosquitoes, and even cockroaches. So your home doesn't just smell great, it stays protected. If you enjoyed this tip, let me know in the comments which room you'd try it in first. And don't forget to like, share, and follow for more powerful hacks that keep your home fresh, welcoming, and worry-free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.